Hello and welcome to Mrs. Brown's online classroom. Today we're going to talk about types of ratios. There are two types of ratios that we'll be discussing, part to part and part to whole. Part to part are ratios that have no overlap. The things aren't included in each other. For instance, cats to dogs. Something's not going to be both a cat and a dog at the same time. Okay? Or things like violins to guitars, or apples to oranges, or FSU fans to Gator fans. Now technically I know there can be overlap, but for the most part there's no overlap there. As you take a look, we could also have a part to whole, and part to whole is where the part is included in the whole. For instance, dogs to pets. So if I were to say poll the people on my block to see how many dogs and how many cats and how many parrots they had, I could say like there were 5 dogs out of a total of 12 pets, or something to that effect. And so that would be the number of dogs would be included in that whole. Okay? Or oranges to fruit, because oranges are a type of fruit. Or flute to instruments, because flutes are a type of instrument. Or we could say, for instance, Rays fans to sports fans, because Rays fans would be sports fans. And so as you take a look at that, you either have a part to part, where there's no overlap, or a part to whole, where the part is included in the whole. Hope this helps, and have a great day.